The Mast P60 is a lightweight wireless PMU machine designed for brows, lips, shading, and small fine line tattoos. You got one yourself? Here's a quick reference guide to show you exactly how this machine works and how to make the most of your Mast P60 at home. My name is Kelly from Hyperreal Academy, and I am an AAM Platinum certified trainer. If you're new to PMU, you're in good hands here on this channel. So why not subscribe and hit notifications? Okay, so this video is sponsored by Mast and Dragonhawk. We are looking at a machine from their PMU line, which is the Mast, and this is going to be the P60, one of their newer machine models. This machine offers 5 adjustable stroke lengths, and these are 2.2, 2.5, 2.7, 2.9, and 3.2. And these are going to be in millimeters. This machine uses a cordless M-Core P motor. It runs with a 4 to 10 volt range, so that's your speed. More on that later. And this machine can reach 11,000 RPM. It weighs 121 grams, and it includes a 900 mAh battery with Type-C charging, so you charge it using a USB-C cable. The official listed runtime for wireless use is over 3 hours, and it uses universal cartridges for needles. Now let's get into how to use your machine. To use your Mast P60, first charge the battery fully with the Type-C cable, so that's your USB-C. Most electronics have this type of charging cable. iPhones have it, you probably have one at home. Insert a universal needle cartridge and lock it into place. We recommend the Real Tint Crystal needle for a number of reasons. This is our newest needle, and it is the most upgraded with new features including an anti-backflow nozzle and a silicone spring that is more protective than a traditional metal spring. We recommend this for a smoother tattooing experience as well as to protect your machine from general wear and tear from day-to-day use. On this machine, we have the option to adjust needle length up to 4.0 millimeters. So adjusting needle length is not the same as stroke length. You're going to adjust your stroke length using this dial, and then you're going to adjust needle length using the lower dial. So there's actually these two options, don't get them confused. Now it's time to adjust our machine settings. So power on your machine, adjust the voltage on the screen, so that's your speed. For PMU, it's best to start conservatively with both needle hang and the voltage. So that's your machine stroke power and also your speed. Your settings should match the procedure, the client's skin, the needle cartridge you're using, as well as your hand speed. So keep all of those in mind as you practice. And don't worry about all of these different moving parts. It's actually very intuitive compared to what most people might think. One of the coolest things about human beings is that we're capable to adopt our tools as extensions of ourselves. So think about when you use a fork. When I use chopsticks, it's kind of like an extension of my fingers. And eventually, your body kind of acclimates to using it, and you do feel like your tool becomes an extension of yourself. It's difficult for me to explain, but everybody understands what it's like to ride a bike or drive a car. It's very similar to that. As long as you can understand what your machine does and you practice for long enough that your muscle memory develops, you can actually feel the tool becoming kind of like a part of yourself. So you don't have to stress about these things, but just keep them in mind as you're practicing at home. Keep in mind the different skin types, keep in mind the cartridge and your hand speed, and eventually it'll come easy to you. So what do we use this machine for? This machine is best suited for powder shading, machine hair strokes, we call them nano brows, lip blush, eyeliner, and small fine line tattoos. Here's a guide for setting up the machine for different techniques. Let's start with adjusting the machine's stroke length. Stroke length is the distance your machine's needle travels with every rotation. Shorter strokes are going to move faster per rotation, giving you better control for higher precision. Longer strokes strike harder and deliver more power, so they're going to allow for smoother lining with higher saturation at the expense of delicate fine line control. Now let's get into each stroke length and what they're best for. The 2.2 millimeter stroke is best for soft work such as sheer powder brows and sheer lip blush. This is also a great setting for outlines. This is the best option when you want a softer, more feathered effect. You can also use this setting to make tiny lines with low saturation, so think baby hairs and secondary lines on brow patterns. The 2.5 millimeter stroke is a good choice for soft, smooth shading, like the front of the brows, for example, and soft eyeliner shading, like ombre eyeliner. It's also a good choice for blending gradients. The 2.7 to 2.9 millimeter range is the most versatile for general purpose PMU for brows, eyeliner, and lips. You'll be using this range the most, in my opinion. 2.7 to 2.9 works well for machine hair strokes, so your nano brows, your combination brows, as well as defined shading and lip blush. This range gives you buildable saturation for layers, and it gives you more defined implantation per layer, making it a very good general purpose range for all types of permanent makeup techniques. The 3.2 millimeter stroke is best for stronger saturation and all around more complete implantation. This is the setting we can use for body art as well, and it works great for small fine line tattoos, so for tiny tattoos. Anything with fine line work that doesn't require a lot of saturation, that is generally under 3 inches, is considered a tiny tattoo. Because it's the strongest setting that this machine has, it should be used very carefully and avoid this length on thin and delicate skin. Use this setting responsibly to avoid big mistakes like blowouts, guys. This is very important. Once you make a blowout, once you go too deep, you can't take it back. So this is the strongest stroke length. Use it with care. Now that we know all of the stroke lengths this machine has, let's go over the speed settings. So your machine speed is controlled by voltage. This machine allows you to adjust your speed from 4 to 10 volts. We're going to give you commonly used speeds for each procedure, but please keep in mind that your own hand speed also needs to be considered. When you're practicing at home, you might find that you're more comfortable with a faster or slower speed setting than what I mentioned in this video, and that would suit you better, and that's totally okay. So adjusting for hand speed is important, but you also need to adjust for the thickness of your client's skin. This is why we use different speeds for men and women, oily and dry skin, as well as sensitive and mature skin types. For lips, powdered outlines, and soft shading, we recommend 3 to 5 volts. For powder and ombre brows, we recommend 5 to 6.5 volts. For nano brow hair strokes, we recommend 6 to 8 volts. And for eyeliner and body art, 7 to 9 volts. Now that we understand our machine settings, let's go over the pros and cons of this machine, our Mast P60. One of the biggest advantages of this machine is the versatility. The adjustable stroke length makes it more flexible than a fixed stroke PMU machine. It's also lightweight, easy to hold, ergonomic, and simple to use. The main downside is the battery life and its power output. This battery has a runtime of just over 3 hours, which is great, but it's not going to be enough for artists who are doing back-to-back appointments or for people doing longer sessions like SMP. Good thing, Mast included an additional battery as well as a wired connection adapter, so you can convert your wireless machine into a fully wired machine. All you need is to connect this machine to a wired permanent makeup power device, such as our Real Tint UFO. So if you're worried about going fully wireless, don't worry, you can always switch back to wired, and you can switch back and forth from wired to wireless whenever you want. The other limitation is that this machine is not high powered enough to complete actual traditional body art. So anything bigger than 3 inches, I would say switch to a higher powered machine. But of course, this machine is made for a PMU. It's designed for the neck and above. So keep that in mind when you're shopping for machines. This is ideal for PMU, not so ideal for body art. So all in all, the Mast P60 is a solid multi-purpose PMU machine. Its strongest feature is the adjustable stroke range, and its biggest limitation is the battery life, which we covered. They have a wired attachment to mitigate that. This is a good choice for artists who want one lightweight machine that can handle brows, lips, and eyeliner with the occasional fine line work. And we love Mast. They're more than a brand partner to us. They're a reliable, tried and true machine maker that we've been using for a long time and we still trust to this day. When you're just starting out, you might not want to see all these adjustable settings, but I promise you, this is way better than a training machine with one setting at a very low power. You're going to want a quality machine with different speeds and stroke lengths and needle lengths so that you can get your technique right. And you should be building towards your comfortable settings starting from day one. If you have your machine ready but don't know how to start, Pick up our Nano Brows or Lip Blush Practice Handbook, where we give you the fundamental knowledge of all core techniques, building all the way up to advanced techniques that are designed to impress every client that you could possibly meet. You're going to get our drills, our best-selling brow patterns, and modern technical training that's designed to move you forward. You're not going to see any outdated techniques in this book. This book was published in 2025, just last year, making it the most recent textbook that you can get. And it's written by myself and our founder, Anna, who has 28 years of permanent makeup experience. If you want this machine at 10% off, use our code HYPER10 for 10% off the Mast P60. Go on our site, hyperrealacademy.com, to shop our books, our crystal needles, our permanent makeup power source, the UFO, specialized machines in addition to this one, and everything you need to become a pro. If you enjoy this video, give us a like, comment anything you want to comment, and subscribe, ring the bell for more free permanent makeup education. Follow us on our socials at Hyperreal Academy, and follow us on Substack for the business side of PMU. We go live on most Fridays on TikTok, so follow us on there, join me, bring your silicone skin, and we'll practice together live. If you're a trainee looking to get licensed, Hyperreal Academy offers licensing assistance in all 50 states with board certification from the AAM. Thank you so much to Mast for sponsoring this video, and we'll see you next time.